Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Due to the popularity of our Woody bracelet that we made recently, we're going to be covering a Buzz Lightyear bracelet this time. So we've got some 550 cord with a glow in the dark and some microcord to add the color accents. Let's get right into it. So because this is a 2-color bracelet, you'll only need about 4 to 5 feet of each color. Start by fusing them together. So take one of each end, hold it near the flame for a little bit, and while they're still hot, push them together until they cool. Side note, our glow cord is made out of a different material to make it able to glow, and so it doesn't fuse as well as other paracord. But this should be good enough for a bracelet since it's not going to be weight bearing. After you fuse the ends, fold your cord in half a couple inches away from your meld mark and poke it down through the buckle end. Bring it over the top to make your cow hitch. Then thread the other ends of your cord down through the other side of your buckle. And go ahead and pull those down to bracelet size. You can try it on for size at this point. Go ahead and put it over your wrist and cinch it down so that there's only a couple fingers width of room underneath. This will allow for the thickness of the bracelet. So hold on to that spot as you detach your buckle. And then we're going to go into the cobra weave from here. So I want the glow cord to be kind of an accent on the outside, so I want my white cord to go across the middle. So bring that across the top, and this glow cord over that, around the back, and through the loop. If you want more detailed instructions on how to make a cobra bracelet, we'll link to that in the description. Otherwise, we'll just keep on moving along here. Switch that up, opposite direction, keeping that white going across the top. That's the pattern for the entire bracelet. So we're going to go ahead and finish that up, and we'll catch you with the next step. So there we finished our cobra weave. So we'll just quick trim off the ends. All right, so now we're going to add some microcord lacing. On Buzz Lightyear's wings, if you notice, he has kind of a row of caution colors with the red and white stripes. So we're going to kind of imitate that on both ends of the bracelet with this microcord. I'm going to start here on this end and just thread a bit through on one side of the paracord, going through one of those green loops. And we're just going to go diagonal across to the other side. And then just come up around the back, up that next one, and down the one most across from it. So I'm going to do 4 red stripes on each side of the bracelet with a big break in the middle, so it'll kind of look like his wings. You want to leave quite a bit of red at the end to melt because this microcord melts down a lot faster than 550 cord. We're just going to leave that bead on the end there so that your microcord won't pull through. And then this is what it looks like on the top. So I'll just quick repeat that on the other side. There's our Buzz Lightyear bracelet, all done. We added the microcord lacing to the sides there to imitate his wings, and our purple buckle to match the toy. And using some scraps, we added the rest of his buttons, all ready to blast into infinity and beyond. We'll put links to all the supplies in the description. So that's the paracord, glow cord, the buckle, you name it. We'll put that in a list for you so that you can shop it on our website. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Today, due to the popularity of our Woody bracelet that we came out with recently, we're going to be making a Bud Lightyear. Bud Lightyear. Oh, that smells awful. I'm going to die an early death. No infinity and beyond for me.